The group policy setting is located under Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, then App Package Deployment.
Just turn the lights out, baby, let it go. In the lights out, baby, we lose control.
The setting is named Remove Default Microsoft Store Packages from the system.
We don't need no sorrow anymore. Just turn the lights out, baby, let it go. In the lights out, baby, we lose control. Just turn the lights out, baby, let it go. We don't need no sorrow anymore. Just turn the lights out, baby, let it go. In the lights out, baby, we lose control.
If you enable this policy, the selected Microsoft Store apps in the provided list will be uninstalled from the system.
Just turn the lights out, baby, let it go. In the lights out, baby, we lose control. Just turn the lights out, baby.